So this is the all new unrealistic Motorola's flexible phone which you can bend from any point and transform into different forms.
Today, I'm excited to show you how this adaptable device can bend, shape, and mold to your needs.
So I use this a 6.9-inch display with a single center hole punch selfie shooter, and that is the only camera we have to snap photos because the rear contains all fabric texture which one can wear like a watch.
Self-standing. Thank you. Or worn at a moment's notice for a
The
hands-free.
best part about this device is it comes with lots of AI baked in. Like you guys can snap a photo of your outfit and it is gonna create some wallpapers matching your dress so that when you wear it like a watch, it will blend in like a part of your attire. So a great device, still in a concept phase, but surely is coming soon in the market. This all guys, thanks so much for watching and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.